Hi guys, good afternoon. It's around 1 o'clock, and some of my friends are coming to see me here in Noida. So they have given me a message. I'm going to see whether they have reached or not, and after that, we'll go somewhere. We'll spend some time together and we'll have fun. So let's see where they are. Is it the Swift Desire? Yes. Yes. Fine. So finally they have come.
Hello.
So he's Roshan.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Hi, buddy.
Good to see
Hi,
you.
buddy.
You are looking very handsome, sir.
And you too. What you
Oh,
doing?
thank you.
Really amazing.
Yeah, hi
So guys, he's Roshan and he's Ajit.
Mr. Ajit.
Yeah.
And it's been a while that we have not met to each other, but right now, just we are together, and I'm overwhelmed that sir has given me time. If you wanna meet, so you will also come here at this place in Noida, and you can meet with Chandan sir. And as you know, he's man of the parts, he's man of the substance nowadays. So it's really very hard to find him, guys. So please try to connect him and try to meet him if you are living here in Noida.
And guys, he's very well known wedding photographer, editor, amazing guy I would say. And so is Ajit, he's also working. And
He's a very shy person.
shy person, yeah, shy person. So let's get inside.
Yeah,
Let's get
sir.
inside. Come. Oh,
So,
God.
what is the plan, sir? Where we are going?
Plan, I asked Ajit
Okay.
to search any location, nearby location, because I'm quite new over here. So I'm not sure where to go. It could be any location, could be a restaurant, could be a place where we can go and.
So we can go City Center Mall.
Because last time we were robbed.
Yeah.
Okay, so I know that Dharam Garam.
Dharam Garam. So we don't wanna again to be robbed.
Yeah.
So just let me know one thing, sir. So what would you like to have? So according to that, we can plan and we can go.
See, as far as food is concerned, I have already had my heavy breakfast. So at least the place where we can sit, at least enjoy a little bit something, but we can talk a lot.
Yeah.
That particular place I'm thinking
Okay.
of.
So let's.
So I must fasten the seat belt as well.
Seat belt, yeah.
It's very important.
Because here in Noida, I don't know, but in Delhi, like you can't go without fasten your seat belt.
Yes. The ticket is waiting for you if you don't fasten the seat belt. Yeah. Really.
What ticket, sir?
That challan
Okay.
ticket. Yeah. Fine.
Okay.
So it's been a long time, Roshan.
It's been a long time, sir. I'm really very, overwhelmed that I'm with you. Even I'm not believing just that how it has become possible.
I'm so happy. I'm so excited to meet sir because it's long time.
Okay. So Ajit has seen me first time, I think.
Yes, I did first time.
First time. Really great. So when are you coming to Mumbai, buddy? I'm waiting for you.
I'm really excited to come over there, but just, sir, I am busy with some work, so let's
Okay.
maybe in this month, in the last, I will be there in Mumbai.
Good one.
Ajit, please guide me. Otherwise, I don't know the way.
The way, if you turn here, you'll go to I think Atta Market or some. I don't know.
Sector 12.
Yeah, I mean
No,
we
but
have
I
to
want to
go
go city center.
Yeah.
city center by this way, I think.
This way, no?
City center this way.
Okay.
Fair
So
enough.
guys, what are you feeling? Just let us know also in the comment box if you want to meet with Chandan sir, because nowadays he has become a celebrity.
Yes.
And really very hard to catch him. I'm telling you guys. We know that he's really one of the best teacher you will find on YouTube, and also you can subscribe him if you wanna. How many channels do you have, sir?
I've got 4 channels.
You have, four channels,
Yeah, I
na?
have 4
So can you please tell me the name of the 4
The
channels?
first is English with Chandan.
Okay.
Second is Chandan Singh.
Only Chandan.
Only
Singh.
Chandan Singh.
Okay.
So there you can find my blog. Like this video is going on Chandan Singh channel.
Okay.
Third is Chandan Singh English Trainer.
Okay.
And fourth is Filmy Jamghat.
Oh wow, film is
I have
jump
first
that
time.
so.
Yeah, Filmy Jamghat is for
So have you created this channel recently or what? Filmy Jam-
all the channels are quite old. The Filmy Jamghat, which I have just named a few months ago, that channel was acting with Chandan.
Okay.
So I've changed the name into Filmy Jamghat because Filmy Jamghat is quite catchy,
Okay.
So that's the reason, so that I can make some videos, acting videos, and I can upload on that channel. Yeah.
Oh, that's really nice. Good to hear, sir. Nowadays, also you have already done multiple roles in the. I mean,
yeah, crime
serial,
lecture.
crime,
Yeah,
crime.
like crime world for Shimaru TV, Savdhan India,
Shavlan.
and for Ahsan ji, Ahsan Qureshi, and many others, like some songs and all.
When that is going to release, like you have done recently with Ahsan Qureshi.
Yeah, I think
So do you have any idea?
Its editing is going on.
Okay.
Editing is going on, and they might call me for dubbing as well. Let's see. After that, it might hit a platform, OTT platform or something. So we are waiting for that. Like maybe it's a 1 hour web film. It's not that what is called web series or something. It's 1 hour film.
I have watched a few glimpses of
Comedy.
your, like clips that you have uploaded on your Instagram channel, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
So you have also Insta ID. If people want to watch, then
Okay. Yeah, my Insta ID also English with Chandan. That is the Insta ID, English with Chandan.
okay.
And there I just upload all the things.
Okay. So just let me know one thing, sir. Have you visited India Gate so far?
Once upon a time.
But
Was-
don't you feel to go there?
Yeah, I would love to go there. I would love to go there, India Gate.
So can you please tell us that how many places have you visited so far here in Delhi?
Here, when I was in Noida, along with some of my students, I went to Qutub Minar. Okay, and I went to India Gate as well. So I have seen these two places. I have it would have been like 2008 or something. That time I went to Lal Killa, Red Fort.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So recently, no experience. And even in Mumbai, I haven't visited to so many places, like very few places, since I remain busy.
Guys, look, he's a very creative person that I know because I encountered before, I think 2 or 3 years back with him. And like when I came to know about him, that like you can watch, there are a lot of, he has uploaded already, there are a lot of videos of his acting. So there you can find that, if I talk about the script writing, if I talk about the video editing, if I talk about the cameraman, choreographer, each and everything. Right. So he has done itself. It means like he is really man of the parts, that he can do anything. And nowadays, like when I was talking to him, so before 2 or 3 years back, he was telling that I will go to Mumbai and there I will have some work in web series, Crime Patrol, Savdhan India. But back then there was no hope, but still he struggled a lot, and now I can say that he is on the roll, and soon, I don't know, means like he was telling to me that soon he is going to work with some web series and like movies. So how are you feeling, sir, right now? Because almost you have reached, not at the zenith of success, but at the mountain where you wanted to go.
Yeah, when I decided to go to Mumbai, it was a big challenge for me, and it was quite shocking for some of my family members as well as my known people. The real feedback I would give, that they said that it was going to be a very bad decision of mine to go to Mumbai. Nobody liked it because they thought that going to Mumbai means it was going to be very struggleful life. Having said that, I tried my level best. I went over there, and having reached over there, I really did not find any platform. I did not know what to do. I was consulting Roshan again and again what to do, and he was giving me all the contacts of the director, producer, just go and call. However, it was not working. Like if you call them, message them, nobody is going to call you back or give you any kind of a response in something. So finally, I struggled a lot, and somehow I managed to get what I wanted. It's still going on. Let's see what happens.
I have taken wrong turn, I think so.
Is it so?
Yes.
Okay, it's fine that we are here to have a fun. So
Yeah,
there
yeah,
is
yeah.
no problem.
No problem. We can go anywhere.
So why didn't you tell that I'm taking a wrong turn?
Okay, yeah. So, is there any other way to go back again?
No, we will take again a U-turn and then.
Okay. I haven't
That's
visited
fine,
this
no
place
problem.
even, so.
So how did you find this place, sir? Like that I can see the art walls even like here. So how? What would you like to say about this place? Because it has been for 5 days or 6 days, if I'm not wrong. So you have been living here.
Yeah.
So how did you find this place?
See, when I came to Noida, first of all, I felt as if I was like in so much crowded place earlier in Mumbai. Here everything seems to be quite open, quite big and neat and clean as well. So here I am enjoying a lot. If you come to Mumbai, you'll find everything quite old. Roads are narrow, buildings seem to be old. I'm talking about that particular hi-fi place of Mumbai. There I find like that, but here I find quite open road, broad road. So that is not available there. So that is the difference I always see. Here buildings are very new because buildings are being constructed. That's the reason. So this is the thing. Good one.
Yeah, it's a really nice place, and obviously Chandan sir is a nice even man I ever you can say that found in my life, and I'm really very happy. Right now, just we are going, to have something. Even we don't know that what we are gonna have, but we are not gonna have lassi this time.
Last time lassi, my God, one glass was 700 something, and
That was really horrific for us. That when we came to know that it is cost around 700, no, sir.
700 one lassi. The total bit of 700 something. The total bill was near about 3,000 rupees.
जिसमें लस्सी का ही 2100 रुपए.
2100 for lassi only.
Just I took sir only 30 rupees.
So I was quite amazed, and I wrote that feedback in the book. I wrote the feedback.
Yes,
The lassi was not up to the mark. This price is not good, and it is the restaurant of Dharampaji, and he took so much money from us.
Even Dharampaji doesn't know about that they are taking or what, I don't know. So sir, can you please tell me, is there any upcoming project that you would like to tell about your viewers?
Definitely planning, I have applied, means I can say that okay, I have tried for an audition, and that is for a particular OTT channel, but that's not finalized yet, so I'm not supposed to speak anything about that. Once it gets finalized, then definitely I'm gonna reveal the truth, but not now. First, I'm waiting for that short film to be released, that is with Ahsan Qureshi ji. And once
Which platform, sir?
it might be any OTT, I'm not sure. It could be Hotstar or Jio or something, I don't know.
So guys, let me tell you that we are having random conversation. The reason behind of that, I'm really very excited to ask. There are a lot of questions that I wanna ask Chandan sir related to English as well, but not here. Definitely I will ask in sometime because I know there are a lot of people, there are a lot of students, they are having struggled. Even I was also one when I was in the initial phase, so somehow just I encountered with Chandan sir, and now today you can see that I'm just with him and just I'm asking some question to him. Even I'm not just believing on myself, but definitely I will ask few things with Chandan sir, but not here. Once we will reach at the place where we want to go, then definitely I will ask. So sir, just let me know that suppose if someone wants that he wants to become actor or he wants to he wants to go in acting line, so what would you like to suggest them? Because I have experienced, as you know, I am also a non-linear video editor. There are a lot of people, they want to become celebrity, they want to become something in their life, but the problem is that they are not able to get the right thing. So what would you like to say to those people?
Yeah, definitely. As I am in Mumbai and what I have gone through, I have gained some experience related to the very first thing. You must have that talent in you. Talent is the first priority. No matter you get a chance, but there you have to prove, with your talent. So the first, if somebody wants to be an actor, the person must go through some acting classes. He must understand the craft, because on the set, like when director asks you, are you okay with your lines? It means you have to quite mug up all the lines, your dialogues, and with that particular emotion. When director tells you that, okay, I want this aggression on you, I want this emotion, then you must know how to act. If you don't know, you're going to be kicked out, man. It happens. So first is talent. Now, once you're totally okay with the talent, now you're going to Mumbai. It is very tough to crack even one project. You will be in the queue waiting for, your turn. You will get a chance to just say your introduction only. They are not even taking your particular audition. And you don't know, you never know when you will be called. You can make some WhatsApp groups, you can send your profile, but it is going to be a hard nut to crack. It might take years and years to get one project. That is the grim reality of this industry. It's not that easy, man. I have experienced. Still, I'm struggling. But once you get connection with someone, like once you have got a project, then that EP knows you, maybe the that HOP knows you, maybe the casting director knows you. So he might call you again and again as per the requirement he has and as per your personality. If the character requires your personality, then definitely you're going to be called. So
It means this is a kind of arduous journey you wanted to say, right?
It is. It is.
So have you ever utilized what is called teleprompter?
Okay, that yeah, I haven't ever done teleprompting because the projects for which I went, there I am given the script.
But I have watched the delivery of your dialogues.
Mm-hmm.
That is really up to the mark.
Yeah.
So without teleprompter, how is it possible that you just,
Yeah.
I mean, you can
for Savdhan India, for other crime shows or for TV serials, you are not going to be given any teleprompter or anything else. You are not.
Oh, really?
You are not going to read anything what is written. In movies, it happens. Like Akshay Kumar does sometimes.
Okay.
For Akshay Kumar, something is written. Some person stands holding a board or something. It happens. But for serials, there is nothing. One day prior, we the people are given the script. We go through our dialogues, and on the set before the scene starts, director comes and says, "Okay, are you okay with the lines?" So one rehearsal goes on. One rehearsal starts, and after that, we go to our mark and scene starts. So no prompting. You have to be ready with your dialogues. You can improvise little bit, but don't circumlocate all the time. Don't beat about the bush. Be quite, stick to the dialogues. What is required over there.
So when when you went for the first time to you called by the directors that you are selected. So when you went there for the first time, so did you feel a butterfly in your stomach that I have some fidgety and I am not able to manage the crowd, because it's not about only you are there and only cameraman, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, definitely.
So there you find a lot of people around you.
45 people were there.
45
people were
So-
there. Yeah, for crime shows.
So just let us know about that experience.
Yeah, the very first thing when I got a call that I was selected for the particular show, it was for Shimaru TV Crime World show, and I was given one character. It was the character of a businessman, and I had got 3 scenes over there. So just having heard that I was selected, I was over the moon, absolutely ecstatic. After that, the person who selected me sent me the script, and I just marked my scenes wherever my scenes were, and I mugged up all the dialogues, and I thought of my emotion that okay, this dialogue is going to be spoken using this emotion. I was quite ready. My call time was 9 o'clock in the morning, and my scene started at 12 o'clock night. Whole day I waited. I had breakfast, I had lunch over there, but my scene was not ready. At 12 o'clock, my shot was going to be ready. The director told me that if you fumble, we are not going to take you. Means no fumble is required. Fumble means if I'm speaking a dialogue and if I, stammer sometimes, if I break the dialogue, if I'm saying मैं, if I say मैं, then it is wrong. It is fumble.
It means they are not going to select.
They are not going to select.
Okay.
So it was a big challenge for me that I was not supposed to fumble even one single time. So I mugged up the dialogues, and literally when he said action, I forgot everything. There were 2 cameras. They were using, I think, Sony FX9 or something they were using.
Yeah, Sony
two cameras, and director was there, and the entire crew was there. That mic man, the person who deals with the mic, he came and he attached one mic over here, that lapel mic or something it is.
Yeah, lapel mic.
They attached one mic, and after that my mark was assigned that okay, you have to sit over there. That actor comes and he tells you something and you have to react and you have to speak your dialogue. I understood everything. There I realized that whatever director tells you, you have to stick to that, adhere to that. Otherwise he's going to scold you. And listen to the director but act here. You have to put your ear to what director says. And I did the same. And finally it was done. But the thing is that one scene is taken using multiple lenses. So you have to create that again and again.
Yeah.
So once they took master, then mid, then close, then tight close, this, that happened.
Extreme level,
Yeah.
extreme close.
So finally it was done, and director says, yeah, it was superb.
So guys, now you can hear Chandan sir that how he has been struggled. Who is this guy? Why he's just honking? So like guys, like this is only. Oh my God, what he's doing? Can you show him? He has gone a mad. Actually, he's just honking for him.
Okay,
He cannot go. Oh my God.
You can't go. He's trying.
This is India, sir.
It's India.
Yeah.
Yeah, that truck was not supposed to pass by this.
Yeah.
Didn't.
But he has done.
He managed to.
Yeah, he managed to go. So guys, if you also want to become actor, if you want to become something for your life, that if you want to go in film industry, so you can watch, you can just ask with someone who is very close to you, that you can get some ideas from that person, that what you require initial, that is very important for us. Otherwise there are a lot of people, Chandarsan will tell you definitely that there are a lot of people, they are just looming around the director office and the producer office. Even many of them they will tell you कि आप एक काम करिए, नंबर दे दीजिए, मैं आपको ये करवा देता हूँ, वो करवा देता हूँ, और पागल बनाने के लिए तो बहुत सारे लोग मिलेंगे.
So cheaters are there, fraud people are there.
तो आप लोग इससे केयरफुल रहिए. एंड आई थिंक कि हमने बहुत कुछ ज़्यादा ही डिस्कस कर लिया. अभी थोड़ा सा पहुंच जाए हम लोकेशन पे अपने, देन वी विल अगेन स्टार्ट द फर्दर डिस्कशन. सो थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो गाइज. तो अभी फटाफट हम पहुंच जाए पहले, और उसके बाद आप लोगों से दोबारा कनेक्ट करते हैं.
Fine guys, and I'll show you this road guys.
Yeah.